belated as it is, I am going to talk to Igbo people this afternoon.
Quiet. Ambassador is talking.
You see the annoyance and some of the things I wanted to bring up. That has been a wonderful occasion. But the revered ambassador is speaking at an opportunity when the chairman of the occasion is not there. This is the problem today. There's no discipline. People do things not the way it should be done. I am offended. At my age, I flew to come here at the invitation of the president, which is later here. And I'm talking, and the whole thing is vacant. It's a disgrace to our ancestors. It's a disgrace to me. And I'm appalled that something like this is happening in my face. I don't know what the reason is. Probably because I was cautioning that our ADF and Ohanese should reconcile. Maybe some people don't like that position by me. And I take it is a vendetta against an old man in his 90s to speak at the time the chairman of the occasion was doing. And the people who flew from America to listen to my speech to you, and who know how I am fighting for Igbo in the United States. Professor Okwu, Ambassador Okwu, is totally angry, appalled, to be insulted by an organization that I'm fighting for. Yesterday, I went to the executive meeting where we had a lovely meeting. I addressed the organization. Everybody was pleased with what I told them. Eventually, had a private meeting with the president of Ohanese. The man fell on the floor, 2 knees on a hard floor, asking me to bless him. I blessed him. He made me some promises, which I was to share with all of you. And I'm sharing it with when our gathering is almost broken to pieces. I am speaking to you from the heart to say I have been insulted and our ancestors have been insulted. Whatever I do, I remember those that gave us our culture, that gave us our values, and they are the people I fight for. It is in remembrance of them that I caution ADF work harmoniously with Ohanese. And that was my mission to move in my private meeting with him. And he promised me he was going to do what was best for Igbo, and will follow my advice to him. Today, what I see here is a refusal of what I have thought I had achieved for ATF. I am insulted. I am insulted. My heart is pierced that I'm speaking like this.
Sorry, sir.
This is
we are here for you.
Some of these people exactly
you.
My dear, thank you. They know how I disagreed with them in the United States. They know when they came to the United States. They know how I received them, including those who came to my house. My wife wasn't feeling well. They know how I received them. But I opposed on principle that we should not externalize our problem by going to the United Nations. You go to the United Nations, you achieve nothing. Work with our problems at home. See whether we can get Yoruba, get the Middle people, get our former neighbors, the Igbo and the Efik and the John to work with us to resolve our problem. By the way, Professor Okwu is against the notion of the Igbo problem. Let us not have it in our conscience that we have an Igbo problem in Nigeria. What we have in Nigeria is a Nigerian problem, of which our problem is a part of it. But to segregate us, put us aside, and say we are fighting an Igbo problem does not help us women. This is my advice to you. When people talk about Israel, whether we came from Israel, they don't know what that means. Proposing that I'm talking about it is not our interest. During the war, the Nigerians used that to try to make me not get the recognitions in East and Central Africa. Look at the Igbos. They are not Nigerians. They claim they are Jews. And the Jews are not popular in the world. We know that to be true. Why do we have to associate and lean our name as coming from Israel? I gave them this reason. People still don't do things with common sense. And what I wanted to talk to you today is what I call strategic thinking, strategic behavior. And I said it yesterday at the meeting with Ohanese. Ohanese, Igbos are free. Make friends with Ndausa. Igbos, make friends with any part of Nigeria, but let the beneficiary of your friendship be the Igbo people. Use your lineage, your friendship with others to improve our lot. This is my position. I don't know whether many people don't prefer that. I don't know whether people like that or not. At my age, with my experience, I speak to you as plainly as I can. I wanted to thank our president, whom I love, and he knows my relationship with him. 2 times, 1.5 hours on telephone, midnight, either he called or I called. I guide him. I tell him where he is right. I tell him where he is wrong. We Igbos should learn how to disagree agreeably. We should learn how to advise. We should learn how to take criticism. Toby, the lady who likes us here, said she is a pragmatist. Who is a pragmatist? The Igbos by nature are pragmatists. Pragmatists are people who are neither conservative or socialist. We are neither communists, nor are we capitalists. We are in the middle, fairly egalitarian, which means the improvement of a lot of people. Don't get yourself put into a corner. Do that which will benefit our people. Think strategically. Advise our president. I advise ADF on a number of issues. Lead from behind. What you like, what you see that is good for the Igbo, do not champion it yourself. Sell the idea to some of our friends. Let them promote it. You push them from behind. Others will follow them. That is diplomacy. That is the sort of thing wise people do. Knowing that when you take the lead and a number of people don't like you, they will oppose you. Sometimes people who are bright claim to be foolish because they know where they are going to. When a time has come, a time has come, even if it is too late for us to think strategically. A time has come. A time has come for us to see that it's good for us to be together. Work well with Ohanese. Let the Igbos be together. I have opened a nice connection with Godo. He and I agreed on some principles, which I want to share with the President and his Secretary tomorrow. But today, I'm giving a slap on the face. But to talk about Chileke goes in Igbo.
On behalf of Igbo Development Foundation, the leadership and membership, I want to apologize to our elder, a member of our board of trustees. A man, as he said, had hosted us in the US, came all the way to be part of us. If you do remember, I made special commendation of him when I spoke. I did. Special recognition of him. Even if he didn't speak, that was enough. And the message he has, special message, which we decided to make time tomorrow for him to meet with NPF members in Canada, so we sit down and discuss this. Some of the things he has said, maybe some of you may not understand it. Now, it has some basic message, which require strategic thinking to chew. One basic message is that Igbos have no problem in Nigeria. You know, it's a basic message of it. And it's something we think we can carefully discuss with him as our elder and let him know why many people, most Igbos think they have a problem in Nigeria. So I want to thank him very much and apologize to him if he's speaking late. I don't like it myself. I don't like it. But I promise him he's staying with us tomorrow. Sam, you're not going today. So tomorrow all of us will make our time and sit with him again and discuss. Please, sir, I want to apologize to you on behalf of ADF. I want to kneel down before you. How can I not forgive him? How can I not forgive him? But my brothers and sisters, I didn't say the Igbos have no problem in Nigeria. I didn't say that. It's English. We have a Nigerian problem, and of which the Igbos are part. Don't make yourself as the problem of Nigeria. Others will avoid you. That is not diplomacy. That is not strategic planting. And that's the reason why I say, lead from behind. Let others help us. That's my problem.
Thank you. And now, the experienced technocrats.